1, 2, 3 days of the third day of this exciting thing, and we're gonna get started with this vlog right away. So let's get to it. Mother's Day. Okay, I haven't really done anything because I decided to rush this time. I'm going with my dad this time. Aw, no Rabbit Ninja Guy this time. Come on. Okay, we can give screen time for you later, Dad. Anyhow, so we're going out for breakfast at our favorite diner, and yeah. Okay, Dad, now you have screen time.
Do I really?
Yes.
Hello, world!
You gotta look at the camera.
Well, I'm in the middle of driving and getting
ready. No, you're not. Okay, now you are. Okay, so
I'm driving.
Yeah. So yeah, we're leaving right now, and we're trying to get there in time as usual. Cause
in the pouring rain.
Yes, especially if you guys have not seen the other vlogs before, since it's not on White Plains anymore. It's in the city, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go all the way to the city.
Our ETA is 9:39. Let's see how good we are. I'll check my time.
I don't know. Traffic can be kind of confusing sometimes.
To correct the perception,
This rain is making it feel like Seattle.
How hot, how
this is what it's like in
was
Seattle.
Rosenstein,
Yep.
and his
Now
resignation a possibility?
now we're in a tunnel.
No, our reporting showed that.
Now we're not. I kind of like doing some of my hands sometimes.
What?
I kind of like doing some of my hands sometimes with those talking things. Especially after movie 9, the mirror thing. Knock, knock. Who's there? A mirror. I am lonely. It's just very... Okay, looking up here. We're in Midtown and we're going on to Epic. So it's not gonna be long. Oh, finally we get a glimpse of the United Nations building. Finally. It took us weeks to find that glimpse.
No, that's a nice trip, by the way. That's a nice tour. It's a tour to be right.
Yeah. Yay! We're not in Seattle for a little bit. The rain.
Actually, Seattle doesn't rain this hard.
Oh, yeah.
Later. This is a lot of rain for Seattle.
But Seattle always rains.
Little, yeah, but it's more misty than there's anything else.
Okay, I think we're gonna be there soon. Okay, and we're here, so I'm gonna just stop right here and I'll vlog you guys when we get to the theater. Alright, at the theater, New York stuff. New York Fair right there. Here's the expert player right here.
Yeah, I can, I'm down whenever.
This
It's like
Raz.
literally just today, it's like swamp.
Okay, this Raz. He was #1 the whole time in the qualifiers. Guys, what do you kept saying? Who else but Raz?
Who else but Razzie?
Who else but Raz? Razzie. See Razzie. Oh yeah, I think I can. Well, let's see. Yeah, this is. Here we go. Christian again.
Hi.
Okay, we're gonna get started right here. Okay, we're just starting. But who is this? Oh, what's this? What are we sponsored by? This is who we're being sponsored by. Holy shoot, Viacom. Oh, Nickelodeon.
I don't think it's
Nickelodeon.
I think that's Nickelodeon's cousin, Nickelodeon.
Yeah,
We're gonna go down.
no, but Nickelodeon used to be the Slap, and now it's just the weird lowercase.
But yeah, we are actually sponsored by
Yeah, I'd rather prefer the Splat, but whatever. Let's get on with it. Johnny,
Hey.
where are you?
We're at Super League right now.
And what theater?
Epic Theater.
In what location?
In the theater.
Why?
For Super League.
Why?
For the playoffs.
I was trying to do that 1-800 contacts thing.
Oh, and Nickelodeon is sponsoring us.
Yay! You gotta see the Nickelodeon. Wait, I already showed you guys in the vlog. Okay, I'm stupid. Poster pics the SLGMC. Alright, so if you guys want to follow my Instagram and see that picture, then we'll go now. Okay. Oh my god, look at this video! It's Nickelodeon! What? Oh! Shoot. Oh damn, Viacom, please don't sue me. I just want to do this. Game Shakers! Oh! Yo! Oh, Alvin!
Power Rangers! Feel my twerk, you evil jerk! Feel my twerk, you evil.
Oh my god! What is even going on? I don't understand.
Give me a high five.
Yo! Sponsored! Oh, yo, got a Nickelodeon fidget spinner, so it's Nickelodeon in the middle. Oh, I got this box right here. Just, fidget spinner. You what? Oh, but fidget spinner, work class home. Oh, look at this. Boy, I am the master of peace. You guys, I've overrun all of you. Here we go. Let's go. All right, come on, Johnny. Let's go get him. Purple team. No match for us. Oh no. Ah! Freaking respawns. Just look. Like nothing's being captured. Nothing at all. Starman again. Just go get. Let's go get rid of this guy. He's been on my nerve since the start of this mini game. Oh come on! You're pulling a Leafy on me? Come on. Come on. All right, bye bye. Ah! Rex.
How long do you want me to film?
When I die last time.
Okay, one more time.
Next death. Alright. Last wave for the vlog.
This one's for the gold.
Can I at least get a kill right here? Yes, I got a kill! I got one kill at least. Alright, good. Alright. Did I get it? Go. Oh, 2 kills! Damn!
This game type looks less like skill-based and a lot more like just good luck.
Yeah.
And spamming.
Just spam this whole thing. Am I stuck? Oh. Yeah, I thought so. Am I seriously just...
Solo taking that point.
Oh, wait, RJ, stop trying to kill me!
Okay, sorry. Alright, take over. Oh, no.
Kill him, RJ, quickly!
No!
Rip.
Yep. Rip. Say it.
R.I.P. in peace, bro.
Alright. There we go. Playing Crystal Crater, and look. A freaking masterpiece. Freaking masterpiece. I'm going crazy.
Over there. We'll try to figure out who's this one.
Just, I don't know. I just do stuff at random.
That's OP!
Okay, so
Hi guys,
my
this is
computer
Christian Parkup,
died.
and RJ's recording because my computer died. His computer died.
No, my computer died.
Yo.
Skeleton assassin! Hi,
Look at that. And my name isn't on there. Only all because I forgot to bring my charger.
Hey, look, I did it!
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh no!
Kill streak.
Whoa, Nelly!
Alright, so Super League was fun today. We might have not have made it, but it was fun anyway.
How many people are dead?
So many.
It was fun while it lasted, and in Boston, if any one of you members are hearing it, because you guys think cheating is so cool, you suck.
You said you don't.
Boston, you suck.
Shouldn't you just heal them?
Like unfair gaming.
No!
Suck. Suck.
Yeah.
So we're done. So sad. Boston won. Boston won. It's unfair. People are just hacking for reasons. I know. Like there's one person just walking out. He's just utterly confused with what Boston does. Nobody gets it. gets it. Theory, Boston just likes to do it because they think the Sons of Liberty still exists. It doesn't. It just doesn't.
Hey, what's up?
Malcolm.
Yeah?
What's that you have?
What?
What's that?
Nickelodeon fidget spinner. Everyone got one.
I did. Dad,
You got all the what did you get?
were you relaxed on?
I was.
Back in the tuck room for lunch, and we can see some ships right here, some American ships. Actually, not all of them are American. I think that's there are like 2 other flag ships out there, but like you can see the view out there. And there's a garage here. It's just crazy.
Food bar. Ah, that's good pizza. It doesn't even look like pizza that we all usually eat. It's very good too.
The escalator. Oh, we're going down. Now we can go down again. Come on. Seriously? It's just like the escalator broke down again. Second time it broke down again. Oh yeah, the outside was going up. Remember that one incident that the escalator kept going up and down? Oh yeah. That was horrible, but it was funny too. But God.
Joining me now, NBC's Kendall.
Going all the way back.
I know that you've been reporting that Mr. Comey was just furious
kind of a little
about how this
tiring.
all went down. What is he saying to those close to him?
Not really, but just kind of a little bored because I'm just listening to music, so, yep. Hey, the Polk Storage, haven't seen that in a while. It's just going out and about. And all of a sudden there are Cube Smarts popping everywhere. Oh look, is that the Bronx Market? Oh, that's cool.
You gotta go.
Alright. There we go. On to, here's some nice video of trees. And now we're back in the real world. Oh, now we got trees. Yeah, Dad, in the rain.
In the rain, lots of rain.
And we still got 21 minutes. Yay!
Are you gonna film?
Alright. Yeah, this part of the Westchester Pavilion. Let's see. Oh, they took the sign down.
Finally!
Oh my God.
Maybe it fell down.
No, they took it down. But
Look at all that.
so much.
They're actually even going to the other building too.
Yeah, but that building's pretty much useless. Yeah, very. And there ends the vlog for you guys. I'm sorry it ended a little bit so soon, but got nothing really important to do. Plus, it's very crappy, a nor'easter storm out. So, literally, I just couldn't film anything outside. And if I did, then I would have more filming. I mean, vlogging to do for you guys. I'm so much filming. Again, I always say filming. Vlogging. But I'll hopefully do some stuff next week. Yeah. See you guys in the next vlog. Alright. Bye, guys.